So exercise 8.1. See the second problem here. So question is given to you. One figure is given, figure 8.13, and PQR is given to you. See here, triangle mein PQR, angle Q is 90 degrees, and here it is given 12 centimeters. Here it is 13 centimeters. So can anyone tell me what is the QR? Because Pythagorean triplet, if you remember, you will be able to find. So I'm asking to you to find out tan P minus cot R. It is asking to you to find out tan P minus cot R. See here. First, you need to find out the missing side here. In triangle, by Pythagoras theorem.
Sir, 5 centimeters.
Yes. But you have to write here normally. In an objective type of the question, if it is given to you directly, you can take it. By Pythagoras theorem, QR square is equals to PR square minus PQ square R. Hypotenuse square minus this. Directly I wrote. Pythagoras theorem says to you the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. But here I have taken like this. 13 square minus 12 square, 169 minus 144, which is equals to 25. Therefore, QR is equals to 5 centimeters. You are going. So this is 5 centimeters. Now, what is required to us to find out here? Tan P minus cot R. Tan P minus cot R. Okay. So whenever you are taking tan P minus cot, and one thing you observe that whenever you write trigonometric ratios, Anmol, trigonometric ratios observe कर लिया तो ये first letter capital letter नहीं लिखना है. The reason behind it is our reason is there. Ratios whenever you take, you see that your textbook also normally anywhere else most of the students are this point also you need to concentrate. Tan कभी भी capital letter नहीं लिखना है because we are taking ratios. When you write the tan capital letter, it becomes the function. Function is what is meant by function. You are going to learn the in class 11. 11th में आप लोग सीखेंगे. So अभी क्या याद रखो? Not only tan, every first letter cannot be written as a capital letter. You observe in your textbook also. Angle is written capital, but first starting letter will not be written capital letter. Nah, that's what when you write it as a capital T, it becomes the function. So function is completely different. So that's why better always you now concentrate that only you write the small letter. This point you concentrate. Don't write the capital letter. Even tan, cot, sin, cos, sin लिखते समय भी suppose ऐसा लिख दिया नहीं ऐसा नहीं लिखना है because all the small letters only. Sin C. Angle is capital letters. Yes, that's what I am saying. Now, when you write it as it becomes the function. But what is meant by a function? You need to know. This is a ratio. Ratio ko and function ko difference होता. Okay. So now tan P is nothing but what? Tan P ka opposite. Tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So tan P ka opposite. P ka opposite is QR. And opposite by adjacent. P ka adjacent PQ minus cot R. So R ka adjacent. Angle R ka adjacent is what? QR. Isn't it? Tan P minus cot R is it. So cot का adjacent क्या है here? PQ. दोनों same है actually. Tan P value whatever you get, cot R value is the same value. It is not necessary to us to actually find out this value also. ये find out करने का जरूरत नहीं because without this one also you can say that this value is 0 because both the same values now. But why do we find out here? We don't know that we are going to get the same thing. Huh? You people don't know, but I know that. Huh? But the thing is that instead of this one, if it is asking some other ratio, इसके साथ plus डाल के और कुछ another thing is asking, then you should compulsory take into consider. So this becomes a value 0. No need to substitute the values also. Okay. Coming to the next problem, next fourth problem. See here. fourth one. 15 cot A is equals to 8. 15 cot A is equals to 8. And asking you to find out. Four So 15 cot A is equals to 8. Then find sin A and secant A. So it is given that 15 cot A. Whenever it is given to you, you take a right angle triangle in which angle A is not a 90 degrees. Acute angle. Okay. So what you are going to get here from this cot A is equals to 8 by 15. Cot A is equals to 8 by 15. So you can consider, let us consider the one right angle triangle in which angle A is a acute angle. So as per this cot A, we are going to get it. Cot A is equals to from figure. From figure, cot A is equals to AB by BC. AB by BC. So either cot A is given. So that is nothing but AB by BC is equals to 8 by 15. That means AB equal to 8, BC equal to 15. Huh? AB equal to 8, BC equal to 15. ये 8, ये 15 होगा. No. Then what? समझ में नहीं आया. AB by BC is equals to 8 by 15. See here, it is given that A cot A is equals to 8 by 15. But I am taking one right angle triangle in which angle A is the acute angle. Again, you are taking the base and the perpendicular. I am asking that AB by BC equal to 8 by 15. Then AB equal to 8, BC equal to 15. No. Ratio hai here. So then you have to consider that AB is equals to 8x. Multiple of 8. Already I told you. And BC is equals to 15x. Because ये 80 भी हो सकता है. We don't know ये हो सकता है. How do you say that it is 8 centimeters or 8 meters? So you can say 8x units, 8x and 15x. Now from the Pythagoras theorem, by the Pythagoras theorem, you can say that you have to find out the other ratios. Two ratios we are getting. This is 8x, this is 15x. This you have to find out. By Pythagoras theorem, you can find out the other thing. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AB is equals to 8. 8x whole square plus 15x whole square. So 8 is 64x square plus 225x square. So which is equals to 289x square, which is equals to 17x whole square. So from this you are going to get AC is equals to 17x. Sir, x क्यों लेना है सर? वैसे कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Now question is asking you to find out sin A. Sin A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. A का opposite क्या है? BC. A का hypotenuse is AC. So BC is what here? 15x. So 15x by AC 17. X will get cancelled. At last 15 by 17. Sir, x तो cancel ही हो रहे हैं. Why do we take? Another thing is asking you to mix. Because when the ratio is given to you, it doesn't mean that this value is equal to this one, this value is equal to AB equal to 8, BC equal to 15 होगा. नहीं बोल सकते. AB 80 भी 16 भी हो सकता है. इसका लेंथ 16 और इसका लेंथ 30 भी हो सकता है. There is a chance of having like this. So that's why better you not take like that, like this when you are doing the solution. But if the same question is given in objective type, इतना लेंथ नहीं करना है रफ में. ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप में दे दिया तो डायरेक्टली लेना है. तो इधर 8 लेना है, 15 लेना है. यही क्वेश्चन इफ इट इज गिवन ऐसा राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ड्रा करना है. ये 8 है, 15 है. हाँ, दोनों का स्क्वायर है. 8 स्क्वायर प्लस 15 स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट 64, 225, 225, 289 होगा. ये 17 होगा. ये 17 आ गया. अब नाउ व्हाट इज आस्किंग? सेकंड ये इज आस्किंग ये एंगल ये है. secant A है, इधर BC, secant is nothing but hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 17 by adjacent. Secant is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. So you are saying 17 by 8. Yes, 17. In steps लिखना है तो normally you have to write here hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is AB. So which is equals to 17x by 8x. X will get cancelled, 17 by 8. Yes. Okay. वही, that's what I am saying to you. Originally the concept whenever you are cut होता है, but here this is also one ratio. This is also one ratio, but we cannot say that AB by BC. But I have very clear explanation. AB by BC equal to 8 by 50. Then that means suppose if I am taking AB equal to 80 centimeters, BC equal to 150 centimeters, then AB by BC 8 by 15 होगा नहीं होगा? So then why? How do you say that it is 8 centimeters? Answer is not important. Now, if only answer is not important, the procedure is also important. Because with this you are going to lose the concept. In some places, the concept is going to miss. Mathematics is nothing but just not only solving the problems. हमको answer आना है, answer तो आना है, यही नहीं सोचना है ना. Concept is very important. If you are missing this concept, because ratio equal to one ratio equal to another number, this ratio, then it doesn't mean that this number is equal to this one, this equal to this one. This misconcept will lead you to give some different questions wrong answers. वो concept miss नहीं. Okay. Next, fifth question is in the same way. You can do it here, but I'm going to explain to you also. Don't worry. All the trigonometric ratios are. This fifth question, suppose if it is given to you just like an objective question, how to solve, I will explain. Little bit faster. Steps के जैसा नहीं है. So fifth question में what is given here? Secant theta is equals to 13 by 12. Secant theta is equals to that. Calculate the other trigonometric ratio. This is what theta. What is theta here? One angle का representation. Any triangle you take. एक triangle ले लो. In which angle theta ले लो. So secant is nothing but hypotenuse. Hypotenuse 13. 13 नहीं है, actually 13x है. Oh sorry, question number 5. Question number 5. 15 नहीं है, 5 है. Secant theta equal to 13 by 12. Calculate other trigonometric ratios. So ये what is secant is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse is this one. Theta का adjacent क्या है? ये side. ये 12 है. तो ये 5 होगा. 5, 12, 13 याद है ना? I am not explaining this as a just objective type of question. I am explaining this one. So that's why what you do. Now here sin theta चाहिए. Theta का opposite 5 by 13. Cos theta चाहिए 12 by 13. Tan theta चाहिए 5 by 12. Cot theta 12 by 5. Secant already given. Cosec theta 13 by 5. Cosec theta 13 by 5. हो गया. All the trigonometric ratios we found. But yes, no. Suppose मैं बोल रहा हूँ, as now we are going to have the term one exam as a objective type of questions. This is enough to you now. But original procedure I told you ना, what is the original procedure? ये 13 बोले तो ये 13 नहीं होगा. 13 multiple of 13, 13x. ये 12x होगा. ये 5x आ जाएगा आपको. Then if you are dividing, automatically you are going to. Okay? Did you understand here? Next, let us move to the next 8th question. देखो. 3 cot A is equals to 4. 3 cot A is equals to 4. And check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a is equals to cos square a minus sin square a, isn't it? Actually, this is an identity. In the future, you are going to learn cos square a minus sin square a is equals to cos 2a. In 11th class, you are going to learn. इसको cos 2a बोलते हैं. ओके 11th क्लास में आप लोग सीखेंगे. ये आइडेंटिटी भी आप याद रख सकते हैं. दिस इज cos square a minus sin square a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus sin square. ये कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? From this cot a is equals to 4 by 3. ये ट्रायंगल हाँ no. This is equals to cos 2a. I'm saying that is in 11th class you are going to learn. Double of cos 2a. Okay. That I will explain to you how it comes to you when you are taking the values, trigonometric values of different angles. Trigonometric values of the different angles, 30 degrees, 40 degrees. उस time में मैं explain करूँगा दोबारा. So now cot a equal to 4 by 3 is nothing but a b c. Okay. Angle ये है. Short form में explain कर रहा हूँ. Normally what to do here? As per this cot a is equal to 4 by 3 is nothing. Cot adjacent by opposite. AB by BC. AB by BC equal to 4 by 3. AB equal to 4x. BC equal to ये 4x लिखना है originally. ये 3x लिखना है. But I am writing directly 4 and 3. हाँ? समझ में आ रहा है? Then 3 and 4 हो गया तो ये 5 हो गया. And what is required to us to find out tan A हमको चाहिए. And tan A is equals to what here? 3 by 4. tan A हो गया. And cos A चाहिए. Cos A is equals to what? A का adjacent 4 by 5. Next, sin A चाहिए. Sin A is equals to what? 3 by 5. These three things are needed to us. Now take the LHS. LHS is what? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. 1 minus tan square A means 3 by 4 whole square. And do remember that here. What is this one means? Tan square A is, I am going to explain to you here. Here tan square A is nothing but, it doesn't mean that tan is 2 times. This is equals to tan A whole square. Tan A into tan A. Square is there only for the tan. So tan only 2 times होगा इसका. What I am explaining. Square is only for that, but we will write this as the tan square A. Tan A whole square है actually. Actually this is tan square A is nothing but tan A whole square. Tan A value 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole square. 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. So what do we get here? 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16, which is equals to 16 minus 9 by 16 by 16 plus 9 by 16. 16 will get there. 16 minus 9 is 7 by 25. 16 plus 9 is 25. LHS is 7 by 25. Okay. Now RHS is what here? RHS is equals to cos square A minus sin square A, which is equals to cos A क्या आया हमको 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square minus sin A 3 by 5. 3 by 5 whole square. So which is equals to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 20, which is equals to 7 by 25. This is 7 by 25. This is 7 by 25. Okay. Next. समझ में आया बेटा? Okay na? Next. Ninth problem. Ninth one, what is given? Tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. Sorry. Tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. Find the value of the sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So, we need to find out the different angles. Tan A is given to you 1 by root 3, right angled at B. A right angle at B. ABC is a right angle triangle in this right angle at B. So what is given to you here? Tan A is nothing but opposite by adjacent. तो A का opposite क्या है? ये है, ये 1. A का adjacent क्या है? A. Now AC square क्या होगा? Actually, we are not. Actually, I am saying very clearly. ये 1 ये √3 नहीं होगा, ये 1x होगा. Multiple of x, ये √3x. But in a short form, explain to you, I am doing this like this. So AC square क्या होगा? 1 square plus √3 whole square होगा. So 1 plus 3 होगा, which is equals to 4. So AC is equals to 2 हो जाएगा. Actually AC equal to plus or minus 2 हो जाएगा. AC square equal to 4 में. But -2 तो -2 possible नहीं है. Okay. Now what are the things are asking to you to find out here from this? First question is asking to you sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A directly I'm writing. I'm not writing the A का opposite क्या है वो. इसका opposite क्या है? BC. Actually you need to write steps की wise लिखता है तो BC by AC into cos C is nothing but C का adjacent है. BC by AC only. This is we are going to get BC by AC whole square. ये भी BC by AC आएगा, ये भी BC by AC आएगा. ये AB by AC आएगा, ये भी AB by AC आएगा. अरे ये देखो ना, sin A. That's what I'm saying. इसका higher level होता है. This is equal to sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus C होता है. ये आपको higher level में आ जाएगा, 11th क्लास में आ जाएगा. ओके, लिटिल बिट हायर लेवल जाने के बाद ये बेसिक लेवल में है. sin A cos B, इसको sin A plus C भी लिख सकते हैं. आइडियल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, उसमें से भी पता चलता है. So sin A is nothing but here opposite by hypotenuse. Cos C is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos A is nothing but A का adjacent √3 by 2. This is also √3 by 2. Sin C is nothing but C का opposite √3 by 2. So which is equals to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, which is equals to 4 by 4, which is equals to 1. And second question is asking you to find out in the same way cos A cos C. Second question is asking to you cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So cos A is what here? A का हाँ? ये अलग है, वो अलग है. First question sin A cos C. ये cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Second question. So cos A is what here? Cos A निकाल दिया. वही बोल. Cos A निकाल दिया. That is √3 by 2. Cos C भी already निकाल दिया. That is 1 by 2. Minus. Sin A is already 1 by 2. Sin C is, तो दोनों ये दोनों सेम है. √3 by 4 minus √3 by 4 आएगा. So which is equals to 0. Okay. So remaining all the questions are whatever it is given to you, it is easy only. 11th question you see here. Eleventh one see here. State whether the following statements are true or false and justify your answer. So whether they are true or false, you need to say here. The value of tan A is always less than 1. True or false? Tan A is always less than. You don't know the values of 45 30. So I am asking that whether tan A is less than 1 or not. Why? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite and adjacent can be any numbers. Opposite is greater than the adjacent होगा. Adjacent opposite is greater than the adjacent हो सकता है. But hypotenuse is always greater than the remaining two. Then in that situation, whenever you are taking sin A क्या होगा? Sin A is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. So this is smaller than this one. Always, whatever it may be the numbers you take. Opposite is always smaller than the hypotenuse is greater in the three sides. So then in this situation, you are going to get this one less than 1. But tan A, whenever you are taking, it is opposite by hypotenuse. Sorry. Opposite and adjacent can be, opposite can be greater than the adjacent can be greater than the opposite. So you may have this one is greater than that one is greater than this. So you cannot say that it is less than 1. Less than 1 नहीं होगा. But always not. Less than 1 आएगा. कब आएगा? If opposite length is less than the adjacent. If opposite length is less than the adjacent, then we are going to get less than 1. But it is not always. Okay. Next, second question is asking to you in this. Secant A is equals to 12 by 5 for some angle. Is it possible? Because secant is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is greater than the adjacent. So numerator is always greater than the denominator. So either greater value दे दिया है कुछ भी, instead of 12 by 5 if I given to you 2000, इधर 2021 by 2000 दे दिया, then also it is right. There also it is right. So it is, there will be a value. Okay. Second, now third question is given to you. Cos A is the abbreviation of the cosecant of angle A. It is saying that cos A is the abbreviation of cosec. No. It is cos A is the abbreviation of what? Cosine. It is the abbreviation of cosine. Abbreviation is nothing but short form. Abbreviation is nothing but short form. So I already told you now the full form of that trigonometric ratios already I told you. So now here fourth question is given to you. Cot A is the product of cot and A. ये product नहीं है, into नहीं है. Cot, yes, ये together लिखना पड़ता है, but it is not a product. Yes, it is angle. Always here angle you should have. So now fifth question is sin theta is equals to 4 by 3. Is it possible? No, ये false है. Because sin always numerator less than the denominator. This condition is required. Okay.